It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: convulsions and seizures in dogs, causes, and what to do. Let's start. Throughout the life of our pet, it is normal for certain diseases to appear in their body. Depending on the breed, the frequency of these will be greater or lesser. However, there are pathologies that we do not expect because they are rare. Seizures in dogs can perfectly fit into this group. Convulsions and seizures in dogs cause the muscles to rapidly contract and relax. Although they are usually not life-threatening, the dog will lose control of his body, which can scare you. Dog seizures can become life-threatening when they persist for many minutes or recur frequently. In many cases, it's difficult to determine the cause, but multiple recurrences are known as epilepsy and should be investigated by your vet. What should you pay attention to? Loss of body control such as twitching, accidental elimination, dizziness, vomiting, and aimless pacing are common indicators of seizures in dogs. After the episode, your dog may be disoriented for some time. In recurring cases, you may even be able to predict the seizure due to changes in your pet's behavior. 2. What is the primary cause? There are many reasons a dog may have seizures, from low blood sugar and liver disease to poor circulation to the brain and mineral deficiency. Brain tumors can also lead to seizures in dogs and are often the cause of seizures in an older dog. The first epileptic seizures occur in dogs from 6 months to 5 years of age. We are talking about a hereditary disease that causes loss of consciousness, prostration, pedaling, salivation, defecation, urination, and of course seizures. Although an underlying cause may not be identified, epileptic seizures respond well to treatment in most cases. For many dogs with seizures, the cause cannot be determined. 3. How to act before an attack of seizures in dogs. Normally, it's safe to approach a dog that's having seizures, that is, unless you live in an area where rabies is prevalent and you're not sure if the animal has been vaccinated. Here are some important tips. Staying calm is the first thing you should do. In extreme circumstances of this type, you will think much better if you keep your mind calm and unnerved. Once you are calm, you have to remove any object that is near your dog so that it does not get hurt. Once the attack has passed, it is important that we move our pet to a cool and ventilated place, otherwise, its recovery could worsen. If the seizure stops within a minute, dim the lights, or pull the curtains, and make the room as quiet as possible. Keep other animals away and speak sweetly to the dog. Your dog may not be fully aware of his surroundings or who you are, so be careful to keep your hands away from his face. If the seizure lasts more than a minute, call your vet and take the dog in right away. Seizures cause a rise in body temperature, so use blankets to protect your dog, but don't wrap him in them. Diagnosis. Your vet may run several tests to help determine the cause of seizures in dogs, including CBC, chemistry panel, liver function test, X-rays, ultrasound, and advanced brain imaging, i.e., CT or MRI scans. However, it is helpful to note when the seizure occurred, the duration of the seizure, and what the dog was doing prior to the incident. What shouldn't you do? In full attack, a common behavior on the part of the owners is to try to grab the dog so that it does not stagger. This is a clear error, since the dog is not conscious at the time and could injure the person by biting or scratching. Nor should water or food be given to the dog in full convulsion. In no way is it convenient to place objects that provide heat to the dog. Therefore, you should avoid covering him with blankets, sheets, clothes, etc. Finally, the dog should not be given medications that have not been prescribed by the veterinarian. Do not make diagnoses on your own. Seizures in dogs, in most cases, cannot be avoided. For this reason, we recommend that you have a trusted veterinarian so that he can attend to your dog. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate misbehavior and create the well-behaved, obedient pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. Thanks.